Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This package is about boiler tests. So why a specific package on boiler tests? Now this package is very important for every junior engineer, fourth engineer, and at most important for every third engineer. See, when we go on ship, you must have seen if you have been on ship once that we carry out boiler tests regularly. But there are a lot of challenges that happen. If this thing happens, what to do? If this thing happens, what to do? Yes, you know. But why? And why this thing is important is when I was a third engineer on board ship, my boiler was facing some issues. Those who have sailed on ship, they realize that some of the companies they carry out boiler tests when they go to Singapore from the agency itself. Say Unitor will come, people will come, and they will carry out the boiler test. And sometimes those results are not good. So as a third engineer, if you know your job, if you can discuss with the person who is coming on board ship, who is testing, at least he will realize that this guy knows his job.
A message for every marine engineer out there.
First time joining and scared of what will happen on board? Our Combat Achiever packages show real shipboard videos before you step on, so you join with confidence.
Junior engineers still repeating those basic mistakes.
Our basic troubleshooting package helps you avoid the same errors we all made on board ship. Fourth engineer, go in depth into purifiers and compressors. Izzat nahi kamani kya? Third engineer, learn auxiliary engine overhauling and boiler testing step by step.
To all second engineers and chief engineers and ETOs.
Hydraulics, maneuvering, electrical circuit diagrams, PLC, PID, reefer and AC system.
Guys, troubleshooting should be your forte. अगर जहाज पे इज्जत अपने juniors की चाहिए तो troubleshooting आनी चाहिए.
24 packages, many more coming soon. 2-year subscription. That's MND Flix, not a course, but a technical lifeline you need on ship. Check out our free trial videos. Link is in description box.
Second thing, why you need to know this, when you know these answers, if something goes wrong or something is wrong, at least you can justify that you know your job. Many a times problems happen, but if you can justify why you did this, what was his reason, people accept that. There have been instances in my life when I have been junior engineer, fourth engineer, third engineer, second engineer, where problems have taken place. But just because of the knowledge that I had and I could justify what was my action and why I did that, people accepted me, rather admired my actions. So that is why I always thought that whenever boiler test, I could make this package, I would definitely make and cover into the theory part in basics as well. Why? So that when you go on ship, and boiler is a very, very critical machinery, and if something goes wrong, you are able to answer. Most importantly, if you find something is going wrong, you can correct it, rectify it, or even tell people. Last but not the least, you can avoid something going wrong because you have the knowledge.